Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to start by entering the Windows recovery environment. This gives you safe access to repair tools. Back up any critical files first, then hold Shift while you click Restart to avoid normal boot. Once in WinRe, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and open Command Prompt so you can run targeted commands. You'll use CHKDSK and Bootrec next. That's why Command Prompt is best, because these utilities need exclusive access to the disk, plus clearer error output to guide you. Start with CHKDSK on the affected volume, type CHKDSK/F/R and press Enter. This fixes file system errors and tries to recover bad sectors. Once done, run the offline system file checker, sfc/scano with the /offbootdir and /offwindir flags that point to your Windows drive so it repairs system files that can stall startup. If the scan shows boot issues, run bootrec/fixember and bootrec/fixboot to rewrite boot code. These steps clear common causes of repeated scanning and repairing loops. Once those commands finish, close Command Prompt and restart normally. Allow Windows to complete any automatic repairs. It may reboot multiple times. If the scanning and repairing message returns, next try System Restore from WinRe or a Windows reset keeping your personal files. These steps target corrupted system state without immediate data loss. Finally, if problems persist, check the drive's smart data with the manufacturer's tool and replace the disk if smart reports failure, because persistent errors often indicate hardware deterioration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.